Hello everyone, welcome to the Greekosophy channel. Stam here, and a very short video today because I'm going to present you a great Greek cheese that I have recently come across and tried and used it, of course. I'm going to be talking about Graviera cheese, which Graviera cheese is it's the second most popular cheese in Greece after feta. And it's produced in various parts of Greece and mainly from sheep's milk, but some parts of Greece produce it with cow's milk. And it's a very versatile cheese because you can use it on its own, you can use it in pies, you can grate it and use it with pasta or other dishes, etc. We have actually used it in a particular recipe we have on our YouTube channel, a nice pork and leek pie. The link is in the description of this video below. Now, this particular Graviera cheese comes from the Peloponnese region in Greece and from a dairy company called Mitas. It is with Bukovo, which is basically chili flakes. So it's not extremely spicy, but it adds a nice spice to it. The company is based in the Peloponnese region around Argos, town of Argos. We've tried it, we came across it and we tried it, and it's really, really nice. It's not absolutely hard. We've also tried it on its own, and it has a lovely sort of creamy taste to it, creamy texture. The characteristic color of the Graviera, which is a pale sort of yellow, and the small irregular holes as well. I will cut it so you can see. But with the Bukovo, it has a nice spicy aftertaste, not too strong, quite nice and comfortable, let's say, taste. And the aftertaste stays in your mouth for quite a long time. Very fresh, 100% sheep's milk, no preservatives, nothing in there or whatsoever. You might see a couple of green sort of bits in there as well. That is not the cheese, it's the parsley that we chopped for one of our recipes earlier on, and unfortunately it stuck to the cheese, so apologies for that. But overall, a great cheese. We're gonna give you the links of the places that you may be able to get it in the description below.